Hello, my name is Swiss Bianco. This is the first of a series of videos about Witharmour knives. All those knives going to be listed on the swissbianco.com web shop as well. So let's get to it. In this case, we have a nice cardboard box, and there we have the Witharmour number of the knife. The knife is a lockback design with a G10 scale. We don't have any liners in it, it's just a G10, so that makes it relatively flat. We have a waffle pattern on the handle next to the texturing of the G10 as well. Really nice done, lockback design. Good pocket clip. The pocket clip is not reversible, as we see there. No holes, so this is for right-handers mainly. There is only a groove on the blade to open the knife. There is no pin or disc or anything. We have just a groove in there. There we have some more information. D2 steel blade, and the Road Dragon did do the design. Roar Dragon design. Sorry about that. I know the designer. I met him at the blade show in Atlanta, but I did not know exactly his website. So yeah, as we close the item, we just press the lock back, then the knife looks like that. Compact, slimline, perfect for EDC, but the handle, of course, it's a bit a bigger knife if we have that. Typical Swiss Army knife. As a comparison, I'm gonna use that knife for comparison to a lot of knives. So you see it's quite bigger. Also it is a little bit thinner, of course. To open it up, you can either do it that way if you want. It's, I think, more designed as a two-hand opening design. In that way you can do it one hand, but it's a bit awkward. The groove is not that deep that you could easily go and grab it. I have strong hands, so for me it works, but it's still a bit awkward instead of a disc or pins. The blade is bead blasted. The spring has the original satin machined finish, the spacer as well. So yeah, sure, interesting approach because of the texturing, of course, with the flat design and the two-hand opening. So that much about this Witharmour knife.